Choose the die size according to the cable section. Step 1. Strip the cable. Measure the dimension of the sleeve to take off. Cut the sleeve. Then, take it off. Step 2. Prepare the crimping tool. Insert the crimping die into the crimping tool. Turn the wheel to release the handle, depending on your tool. Step 3. Assemble the cable and the crimp terminal. Insert the cable into the crimp terminal. Mind that no copper wire must remain outside the terminal. Step 4. Crimp. Insert the terminal into the crimping tool. Pump until clamp release. Step 5. Ensure electrical insulation. Protect the crimp junction with adhesive tape by overlapping the cable and the terminal. The cable is ready to use. Please follow ITM instructions supplied with the product to finish the assembly of your connector.